Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a two-page layout in the summer. It's a pool page and it was at a family reunion. My granddaughter is swimming in the pool by herself, and so I just took a bunch of photos while I was watching her swim. So these are the photos that I'm using. There's two here that I'll be placing on this side, and there's several little ones, 4x6s that I cut into circles. And she has a pink beach ball or pool ball, and then so that's why I used a pink ball, and the blue water is why I picked the backgrounds and the other papers. So the background paper I'm using is this. It has a small print on it. So I put a print on this just to remind you to use a pattern paper. I find that the photos are, when you hold your photos over a pattern paper, if it's the right colors, your photos just become 3D. They come alive. And if you just hold your picture in front of a plain paper, and then move it to a pattern paper, back and forth, you will see yourself, that your photos just come alive. Now I'm also using for another paper pattern, this one, and this one I'm using for this block up here. So that is why I have put a pattern on there, and I've grouped it so you can just close the eye beside this grouping right down here. If you close the eye, you don't have to cut that out with your Cricut at all. Just use a pattern paper yourself. I did the same with these waves. I am using Kiwi Lane on mine, but so I put waves because it's a pool and splashing and stuff. And I'm using these two papers for the waves. Oh, this one's upside down. So this has umbrellas and flip-flops and all summer swimming stuff, splash, sailboats. So I'm using these two for these waves at the bottom. So if you don't have Kiwi Lane, or you can do your own thing, but I just put some water waves in there for this layout. All right. So I'm just matting all my photos. I picked a title, the pool, found this cute image of a girl, love it, so I'm using that, and I had to find a pink beach ball. I got the umbrella idea because there's so many umbrellas on this paper. So it was kind of easy just pulling from the papers. You know, I go to my photos for inspiration all the time, but my papers often inspire me, what's on the paper that I've chosen. So that's this. So now I think I'm going to cut this out, and we'll be right back making it. All right, I've cut everything out and put it all together. So now we're going to put this page together. So I just matted all my photos in green, and I've got my background paper for up here. It's just colorful. I just wanted to make it a fun, happy, colorful page. So, and now, because it's kids too. Okay, so I'm going to place these kind of something like that. Anyway, I've done my Kiwi Lane. I did ink the edges with this Powder Puff chalking ink, Moana. So I inked along the edges of these. You could use you can free cut or borders that you find in Design Space. I did some waves in my Design Space thing, so you could even do those. So I'm going to put these here, And I guess this maybe can go like that. Whoa. I'm not taping everything down because it takes so much time, but things keep sliding all over the place on me. Okay, so I did this umbrella, and I was going to put it here, and then I did a title, pool, that I was going to put up here. I want to keep it on, here's the seam of the 2 pages, so I'll move it over to keep it there. And I can lower this so that title isn't. Something's catching. Okay, so there we're putting the title. And here is my image of the girl all put together. She's cute as can be. And then I did the pink beach ball because of this. So I'm going to just put that here, I think, yeah. So there we are. So this is about how I want to put this page together. And then because the border's now open, hooray, hooray, I can shop at, I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these and I thought of this page. So I'm going to put a pair of flip-flops up here and another pair there in the pink. And yeah, this is turning out to be fun. I cut my photos in the circles with the Creative Memories circle cutter and the blue blade. Whoops. So that's what I used for this, for the photos. Also, I am planning, I'm going to do this now. So I was going to make some polka dots on the umbrella. And so this is the Creative Memories pen, but it has a big fat rounded end. So apparently the longer you hold this tip down, the bigger your dot will get. So I want to add some blue to this. So that's kind of cute. There. And I thought I would do the same to the bathing suit. Make little polka dots. There. So it just gives a little more detail on this page. I guess I could do something in there, but I'm not going to. Might make it difficult to read. So let me see here. I'm going to put these down. These are just adorable. And these pink ones. I love them. There we go. Oh, I decided I don't quite like this. I want to repeat some of the brown, or not the brown, the green at the bottom. So I'm going to look for a green border. This is my border case. So I keep my borders in here sorted by color. And I'm looking for green. And yellow. Here we are. Okay. What else have we got? More green. Well, the grass won't do. I think I'll stick, because it's cartoony, I'm going to see if I have 2 of any of these. 1. Well, there's only 2. There's 2 of this one. Is there 2 of this? No. So that's it. This is coming out. Okay, so I have 2 of these. This is working. It's so much easier now that my borders are in these organizers. Whoops. There we go. I keep that really close at hand. I dropped my beach ball. Okay, so I decided, I don't usually do this, but I am going to add another little, just a spot border to the bottom. And I like that a lot. It just seems to anchor it. So, I'm thinking I'm liking this. There's my page. I don't think it needs any more because the papers themselves are quite busy. So I hope you enjoyed making this page with me. Please subscribe below or go to my website anytime. All of my pages have Design Space links, and you can watch, or you can copy them all anytime you like. Thank you for watching.